Hey everyone, here in Madrid for CNR 2023, the major Spanish market trade show. Really impressed actually with a lot of natural refrigerant solutions and providers here at the show compared to say just a month ago at the French show CIFA. It's a different ball game here, much more presence, many more players, many more solutions. Very exciting to see. Right now I'm with Darren Lacroix, who's well known in the industry, a CO2 guy for many years, worked with different technology providers. Now is in charge of sales for energy recovery in Europe. And for me, this is the first time, and we're going to get a description of this skid here in the background. This is the first time I've seen a skid. There's already one, this is the same one as the one in Carrefour in Belgium. And this will be for another customer, another site, and I just thought it would be nice to see how this PX G1300 fits into the skid and what they're going to do to, optimize the costs and so forth, and take that to market as the market grows for them. Does that sound okay to you? Perfect.
Absolutely. Good afternoon, Mark. I'd like to take this opportunity to show you the PX G installation, which we have already installed in Carrefour, Belgium. I'll give you a little bit insight into this technology. This is the PX G1300. This is the most efficient system in improving the COP overall in all ambient conditions.
You've got 2 units, right?
2 units, exactly. On this specific installation, which is approximately 280 kilowatts in a Carrefour store in Belgium, this is operating in parallel and covering the ambient temperatures from 15 degrees Celsius to above 40 degrees ambient. So the system is installed by our partners in Belgium, the company called Fuel Close Technique. These are our partners for Benelux region. They've done an absolute fabulous job of installing this dual PXG system onto a completely integratable skid on any CO2 system. So I'll give you a little bit of insight on the components. You have a small lift compressor with its oil management system. You have the PXGs in parallel operating together with their integrated motor calibration system. The inlets and the outlets from the gas cooler, the inlets and the outlets from the liquid receiver. The system is very compact, including a noise enclosure system to protect the ambient sound enclosure inside the machine room. So this system is rather new in the market. It's very innovative, made out of ceramics. What we will do now in the next steps as we deploy into the market is to reduce the componentry, optimize the price point for this device because it is now being introduced at industrial level. And as we deploy, we will remove some of the...
that should be a significant cost reduction, right?
Absolutely. We should be able to get at least 30 to 35%.
And as energy recovery, you've got that kind of expertise, right, to
Absolutely.
scale up products.
We're working on it now. Since the system has come from an industry outside of CO2, we now are in a position to optimize the costs, to streamline the design, and to implement it on any site in Europe.
Okay, so what now? That's the actual PXG itself, the pressure exchanger. But what about the componentry around inside the skid? What are the things that you're looking at to cost optimize there?
The top
you can
priority,
say now, that you can share with us now.
The top priority is to remove the compressor and replace it by a subcooling device.
Okay.
That device will reduce the cost, improve the acoustic profile, as well as simplifying and eliminating the necessity to run oil management system as any compressor needs to have. The other things we will reduce are the pipe work. We will optimize this by integrating mufflers and implementing shorter distances from the gas cooler and the liquid receiver. And we will make the skid itself more compact. So the typical single or dual system should be about the size of a household dishwasher.
Wow.
So 1 meter cube. That's for a single system, obviously 2 meters cube for 2.
That's a huge difference.
That's what we want to do.
That's the game plan.
That's the game plan.
Wow, okay.
Compact, efficient, effective integration, less than 2 days on site, and ultimately protection against high ambient heat waves, better performance, 30% COP at 40 ambient.
All right. Well, all I can say is I wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.
And then it'll be interesting to see how the market responds to this new innovation. This is the first time we're seeing such a skid in real life, right? And obviously, it's good to understand what your plan is over the next 12 to 24 months, right? So
Yes,
good
sir.
luck.
Thank you, sir.